Now we are going to discuss some important results and their applications. First result is cos A into cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. இந்த ஃபார்முலாக்கு நம்ம இந்த ரிசல்ட்டுக்கு வந்து ப்ரூஃப் பார்க்கலாம்ப்பா. ப்ரூஃப் பார்க்கலாமா? சரி, ப்ரூஃப் பாருங்க. ப்ரூஃப் நம்ம வந்து லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு எடுத்துக்கலாம்ப்பா. லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு ஆஃப் தி எக்ஸ்பிரஷன். லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு ஆஃப் தி எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் என்ன பாருங்க? cos A cos 60 minus A cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A cos 60 plus A. சரிங்களா? இது வந்து எப்படி இருக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Otherwise cos A plus B. This is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So this cos A I am writing as a cos A. Now what is the formula for cos A plus B into cos A minus B? Cos A plus B into cos A minus B formula is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. So this is the formula of cos A into cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So now see here cos A plus 60 we are taking, B plus we are taking as a. So this formula for this one we are substituting this formula. Okay, now we are substituting cos square A is 60 degree into cos square A minus cos square B minus cos square B. Cos square B is cos square A. Sorry, cos square A minus sin square B. So cos square A minus sin square B. So sin square B is sin square A. Sin square A. Now we are writing this cos square A directly cos square A. Cos A as a cos A. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus sin square A. This is minus sin square A. Sin square A. Now we are writing this cos A as it is into 1 by 4 as it is we are writing minus. We know the formula for sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So we are substituting sin square theta places 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A we are substituting. Now see here, this cos A, here 1 by 4, minus into 1, minus 1, minus 1 and 1 by 4, if you subtract, we are getting minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4. This minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, so plus cos square A, plus cos square A, plus cos square A we are getting. Now see here, we are going to take this 4 common, that means here 4 we are multiplying and dividing by 4. So 1 by 4 if you take common, 1 by 4 into cos A, in bracket what is it means minus 3 plus 4 cos square A plus 4 cos square A plus 4 cos A. Now we are going to multiply this cos A inside, cos A inside. If you multiply this cos A inside, what happens means so 1 by 4 minus 3 cos A, 3 cos A plus 4 cos cube A plus 4 cos cube A. You know the formula for 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A is the cos 3A. This formula is cos 3A. Cos 3A. So finally we are getting answer as 1 by 4 cos 3A. So right hand side we got. So right hand side of the expression result we got. That means cos A into cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. Like that, another one result we are going to discuss now. See here, second result. Result 2. Result 2 is sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A. Sin 60 plus A. Sin 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. 1 by 4 sin 3A. Sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. For this expression, now we are going to discuss proof. Proof. Left hand side of the expression, let us take. Left hand side is what? Sin A into sin 60 minus a into sin 60 plus a. 60 plus a we are taking. Now here this is sin a minus b into sin a plus b. What is the formula for sin a minus b into sin a plus b? We know the formula for sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b. Sin square a minus sin square b. So this is the formula for sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Now a place 60 is there, b place a is there. So we are going to substitute now. This sin a directly we are writing as a sin a. Now this we are taking sin square 60 minus sin square a. Sin square a we are writing. Now the sin a we are writing as usual. Sin square 60. Sin 60 how much? Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. By squaring this we are getting 3 by 4. 3 by 4 minus this sin square a. This sin square a. Sin square a. Now what we are doing means this 4 commonly we are taking. That means here multiply and divide by 4. 1 by 4 we are taking outside and sin a we are multiplying inside. So now here 1 by 4 into 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Minus 4 sin cube a. Now see here this 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a is what formula? Sin 3a. Sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Sin 3a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, no? That means we are getting now 1 by 4 into this sin 3a. Sin 3a. So we got right hand side of the equation. Hence this result is proved. This result is proved. That means sin a into sin 60 minus a into sin 60 plus a equal to 1 by 4 sin 3a. Similar way, we can get what is the formula for another result. Result 3 we are going to see. Result 3. Result 3. Result 3 is tan alpha into tan 60 minus alpha into tan 60 plus alpha is equal to tan 3 alpha is equal to tan 3 alpha. Do you want me to explain this expression how it comes or not required? Listen here. If you want, I will explain. See here. Let us take this one as a cos expression as equation 1 we assume. And this equation you take as a equation 2. Now divide equation 1 and 2. Divide equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is what is that? Cos alpha into cos 60 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha. If you divide directly 2 divided by 1, if you divide you will get answer. Otherwise your cot you will get. So divide equation 2 divided by equation 1. That means this is equation 2. Equation 1 is what? Sin alpha into sin 60 minus alpha into sin 60 plus alpha. This is equation 1. This is equal to what is that one? 1 by 4 sin 3a. Similarly, second equation is cos alpha, cos 60 minus alpha, cos 60 plus alpha is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3a. Now these three equations you are dividing. If you divide these two equations if you divide, this 1 by 4 cancel. Now sin alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha, and sin 60 minus alpha divided by cos 60 minus alpha is tan 60 minus alpha, and sin 60 plus alpha divided by cos 60 plus alpha is tan 60 plus alpha. Tan 60 plus alpha. This is equal to sin 3a by cos 3a is tan 3a. Tan 3a. So this is the result 3. Result 3 is tan alpha into tan 60 minus alpha into tan 60 plus alpha equal to tan 3 alpha. So these are the important 3 results. By using these results, we can solve problems. So here cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 60 into cos 80 equal to dash. So first option 1 by 2, second option 1 by 8, third option 1 by 16, fourth option 1 by 32. Now this one, this left hand side of this expression, let us solve this one. See here this cos 60 first separately I am taking cos 60. and this one I am writing cos 20. This cos 20. This cos 50 I am writing as a cos 60 minus 20. Cos 40 I am writing as a cos 60 minus 20. And this cos 80 I am writing as a cos 80 I am writing as a cos 60 plus 80. Cos 60 plus 80 I am writing. Now you know the value of cos 60. Cos 60 is how much more? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now see here, this expression in which formula is there? This expression in which way is there? See here, this is cos A, this is cos 60 minus A. Am I correct? This is cos 60 plus A. In that form is there. In this form is there. Am I correct? Cos A. Why the 20 is there? No. Cos, this is cos A. This is cos 60 minus A. This is cos 60 plus A. Okay. Now see here. This expression, this one we can write. What is the formula? Cos A into cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A. What is the formula that is? What is the formula? Cos A into cos 60 minus 20 into cos 60 plus 20. This is what is it for? 20. Cos 60 plus 20. So this is cos A, this is cos 60 minus A, this is cos 60 plus A. So what is this formula? See here, 1 by 4 cos 3A. 1 by 4 cos 3A. A is how much? 20. A is how much? 20. Now see here, this 1 by 2 I am writing. This 1 by 4. Now this is cos 60. 3 into 20 cos 60. Now see here, this 2 into 4 how much? 8. So 1 by 8. Now cos 60 how much? 1 by 2. So 8 into 2 how much? 1 by 16. So cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 60 into cos 80 is equal to how much we are getting? Means 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 is the third option. So third option 1 by 16 is correct. See here, sin 10 into sin 30 into sin 50 into sin 70 we need is equal to dash. That is first option 1 by 16, second option 1 by 32, third option 1 by 4, fourth option 1 by 2. Now see here, this expression we are going to take and we are going to solve. In which way we are solving means this sin 10 directly we are writing as a sin 10. This sin 10 we are writing as a sin 10. Next, this sin 70 is there. No, this sin 70 is there and the sin 50 is there. This sin 50 we are writing as sin 50 is there. This sin 50 we are writing as sin 60 minus 10. And this sin 70 we are writing as sin 60 plus 10. Sin 60 plus 10. And this sin 30 I am writing here. Sin 30 I am writing. This sin 30 I am writing here. Now see here, this what formula? This in which way is there? Sin A, sin 60 minus A, sin 60 plus A. What is the formula for sin A, sin 60 minus A, sin 60 plus A? 1 by 4 sin 3A. 1 by 4 sin 3A. That means here now writing for this one. For this one we are writing formula 1 by 4 sin 3A. 3 into A is how much? 10. Into this sin 30 we are writing. Sin 30 how much? 1 by 2. This 4 into 2 how much? 8. So 1 by 8. Now sin 3 into 10 how much? Sin 30. Now see here, this is 1 by 8. Sin 30 how much? Sin 30 how much? 1 by 2. So 8 into 2 how much? 16. So 1 by 16. For sin 10 into sin 30 into sin 50 into sin 70, answer is 1 by 16. So first option is correct. First option is correct answer.